Would you recommend this experience to anyone else?
I would recommend this experience to any human being interested in finding some stillness and some connection back, both to your human nature, but also to the greater nature. Yes.
What would you say to those people who are afraid of stepping outside of their comfort zone?
Well, it is so comfortable to be in your comfort zone, but if you always stay there, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So occasionally, please do try and step out, and maybe just do baby steps in the beginning, and then slowly take bigger steps. But don't stay in there, because it's a really, really small and boring place to stay.